Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off YouTube Shorts. So guys, if you want to turn off YouTube Shorts on your YouTube app, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen and now you have to open your YouTube app. And once you are here you will see the shorts are showing up in the YouTube. So guys, here you can see this. If you want to turn them off or you want to disable them because you don't want to see shorts on your YouTube, here you have to simply tap on this three dot button. So guys, you can see this. You have to simply tap on this three dots button and then you have to simply tap on show fewer shorts. So I simply tap on this, and after this the shorts will not be showing up on your device. So guys, here you can see your YouTube. The shorts are not showing up right now on your YouTube app. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply open your profile, then tap on settings, and then go to manage all history, and wait here for some seconds. And from here you have to simply tap on delete history button. So I simply tap on delete and then tap on delete all time, and after this you have to simply tap on delete and then tap on got it. And after this all the history will be cleared off your YouTube app, and the shorts will also be disabled on your YouTube from here as well. So guys, in this way you can also turn off YouTube shorts on your YouTube account or your YouTube app. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.